So you need to replace your Tesla Model 3 rear tail light because it has water in it. It'll look with something like this. All spotty, wet and bubbly. Well, get you a replacement, and it's actually pretty easy. You want to remove the bump stop and then peel this seal up right here a little bit. Take your inner felt and move it out the way. And inside here, you're going to have a connector. You take and grab that connector's little pin. Should have a little clip right here sometimes. Mine didn't. And you push that, pull that back, push it in, and it'll come out. And then you need a 8mm socket. To remove these bolts. And once they're really small, just don't drop them down in there. I think there's two. There's one on the bottom and one right there. Yep. Once you get those two out the way, then you want to take your light, and you lean it back this way, and then you got to grab right here on this edge and pop it loose. And that's your light. Let's see, I wonder how water got in mine, actually. There's a good bit of water in there, look. Jeez. I almost wonder if this thing was not only defective or cracked or something. But that amount of water, that didn't get through a screw hole. It must be... Oh, you know what? I think I can see it. Right there. That corner's not molded together. The light's making it hard to see. If it would focus. Yeah. Kind of looks like right there. I'll dig into it and figure it out. But anyway, it's just the reverse. You got these little tabs right here you want to push into. Oh, and look, the seal's still on there. Take that off. Get this out the way. And you just push this side in and it goes in those little tabs. And your screw hole should be sticking back out. Screw this back down. And put him back together. The actual hardest part of this changing this thing is getting the rubber and the little seal and all that lined back up, which I'll show that. There's a trick to it. So this may pop down too, but this just goes back up. So there's an inner lip to this seal right here that connects to the steel frame. So if you look underneath here, so this clips onto the steel frame in between here, and this is for the inner liner. So you have to get this back down on the steel part all the way around. Sorry, I wasn't looking at it right. You know, push that back down, and then you want to come back and like take your finger and just lift this up. And get that inner liner to go under there. I still need to tighten my bolts up, I know, but I'm just showing you all this part. And then once you get that on there, it also has to go over this little plastic lip here too. Sometimes that's the harder part. I've even taken a like a little rubber mallet and kind of beat it on there. And the same with this. Clip this back up. My little clips keep coming loose. But yeah, should look like that back on there. And that's how you do it. Got you a fresh new light.